What is the directly I given? V equal to R omega. This formula, once again I repeat, this formula is derived in the next chapter, rotatory motion. What is the relation between V and omega? V equal to R omega. Here V indicate linear velocity, omega indicate angular velocity. The chapter name circular motion. In the circular motion, radius of the circle is R. Okay, here. Next, I discuss relation between acceleration. Once again, I repeat, relation between tangential acceleration, comma, angular acceleration. Look here. Once again, I repeat, relation between AT and alpha. AT means tangential acceleration, alpha means angular acceleration. Here also AT equal to R alpha. Here AT means tangential acceleration. Alpha means angular acceleration. These are very important relations in the chapter. What is the relation between V and omega? V equal to R omega. What is the relation between A and alpha? AT equal to R alpha. Again, I discuss, look here. Nana, look here Nana. First Nana, this is the translatory motion. This is the rotatory motion. Okay. Nana, I discuss what is the use of force. What is the use of force? Force applied on the body. Body moves straight line. Straight line means translatory motion. Here, torque is applied. The body moves in the circular path. That means here force acts, similarly here torque acts. What is the use of force? To indicate the translatory motion. What is the use of torque? To indicate the rotatory motion. Simply, some terms analogous. Look here. In the translatory motion, linear displacement denoted by S. Angular displacement denoted by theta. In the translatory motion, linear velocity denoted by V. Same work rotatory motion lo omega. Linear velocity, angular velocity. This is linear acceleration. This is angular acceleration. Here Nana, this is the time. This is also time. Time emana change aida. Time unte AM PM. Okay. Here Nana, look here Nana. Here in the translatory motion lo force. In the rotatory motion lo torque. In the translatory motion lo linear momentum. In the rotatory motion lo same work follow angular momentum. Once again I repeat. Here linear displacement. Analogous same. Analogous means same. In the rotatory motion angular displacement. Linear velocity. Angular velocity. Linear acceleration. Angular acceleration. Force. Torque. Momentum, linear momentum, angular momentum. Okay na? I give some formulas nana, but this is the rotatory motion nana. At that time I discuss again, but now important for formulas only. V and omega relation. V equal to R omega. A alpha relation. AT equal to R alpha. F key tau key relation. Tau equal to R F sin theta. L की P की relation L equal to R P sin theta. These are very useful formulas. ఈ రెండే ఉపయోగపనికి వస్తుంది మనకి. ఓకేనా? టౌ అంటే టార్క్, ఎఫ్ అంటే ఫోర్స్, ఆర్ అంటే రేడియస్, ఓఆర్ఆర్ పొజిషన్ వెక్టార్. రేడియస్ ఓఆర్ఆర్ పొజిషన్ వెక్టార్. పి అంటే లీనియర్ మొమెంటం. ఆర్ కి పి కి యాంగిల్ theta. R की F की angle theta. Here theta is the angle between R and F or R and P. Okay. These are analogous to the translatory motion and rotatory motion. Okay. I discuss some phenomena. Look here. Start.
Yes, sir.
Kinematic equations. Look here now. What is the first kinematic equation? We know that V equal to U plus AT. Look here. What is the second kinematic equation? S equal to UT plus half AT square. What is the kinematic third equation? V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Once again I repeat. What is the first kinematic equation? V equal to U plus AT. What is the second kinematic equation? S equal to UT plus half AT square. What is the third kinematic equation? V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Okay? Nana, now the chapter is not a straight line motion. Now the chapter is circular motion. Okay? Now I discuss here velocity V in the rotatory motion omega. In the acceleration A, in the rotatory motion alpha. In the linear displacement S, angular displacement theta. This straight line motion can be converted into circular motion. Look here, Nana. All of you look here. Okay? Look here, Nana. Here V final velocity. It write as final angular velocity. U initial velocity. It is the initial angular velocity. A की analogous alpha, T की analogous T. Time does not change. What is the kinematic second equation? Linear displacement. Analogous is angular displacement. U की analogous omega initial into T plus, look here, half into A की analogous alpha T square. Look here. Nana, here V omega square final, U initial, omega square initial equal to 2, A value alpha, S value theta. Look here. Okay. Now, what is the first equation? In rotatory motion or circular motion, omega final equal to omega initial plus alpha t. What is the second equation? Theta equal to omega initial into t plus half alpha t square. What is the third equation? Omega square final minus omega square initial equal to 2 alpha theta. Okay, these three equations are very useful to solve the problem based on data. Look here, some conversions are required now. Theta, for example, body moves one rotation. One rotation means 360 degrees. Simply theta value 2 pi for one rotation. అదే n rotations ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, చూడాలన్నా n rotations. For example, 2 rotations, 2 pi plus 2 pi, 4 pi. 3 rotations, 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi